Empaka z'omwaka ogu zibeire z'omutaano ahabw'okuba babeire nibatorana omuhingi n'omuriisa w'omurembe kuruga omuri abo ababe basingire empaka za best of the best. Kano Deke Bugingo omuriisa w'ente mu district ya Kiruhura hamwe na Johnson Basango owakamuri okuriisa enkoko zikuhika emitwaro 7 nibo barangirirwe nk'abahanguzi.
Mpangude as the overall winner, national winner. Nebaza Katonda kulompa kino kyampadde olwaleero, nebaza family yange okundeka nenkozesa ekitone kyange Katonda kyeyampa, nebaza nyina ba mentors kwegamba wogenda kukola ekintu oba wokijja, nebaza President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nakola naye emyaka 26 n'ekitundu nange amagezi ago nagamujjako. This is part of the fundamental change.
Vision Group yasimya kamushajo kwehetandika empaka ezi omwaka gw'2013 kandi mukuru wa Vision Group Don Wanyama agire ngu batiremu sente ziri kuhika 1.5 billion abahingi n'abariisa 57 nibo bahereze kutwara omuri Budaaki.
These farmers have had a very big impact on their communities. Farmers, we really want to thank you. This competition has not been in vain. It is obvious that many of you learned a lot when you traveled the Netherlands, and you've applied that to your farms and your communities.
Now, when Nelson landed, the very day he landed and got home, the uncle visited and said, "Sorry, I need the land." So poor Nelson from Wachiso tried to relocate to Nakasongola. Things didn't work.
Ambassador wa Budaaki omu Uganda ahamize ko abasigire empaka ze 2019 hamwe n'omwaka gw'2020 nibije kubatwara omuri Budaaki barambure.
We will continue to support the best farmer competition and the harvest money experiment for at least the next 3 years. And that the winners, it has already been mentioned, the winners of 2019 and 2020 who were not able to travel due to COVID will travel in the next year, 23.
Minister w'ebyobuhingi n'oburiisa Frank Tumwebaze asimire Vision Group ahabw'ehururu egenderire kutungura ebyobuhingi omu ihanga.
I want to thank the new Vision for having found it very noble to create this platform and dedicate this space to the farmers. Thank you. And I want to thank those who sponsor this event.
Bo abasingire empaka ezi basibire Vision Group abo kubayamba kwega ebintu nyamwingi mu byobuhingi.
Mpulira ndine essanyu lingi okubeera nga ndi mu bawanguzi aba 2022 nga ate naliko muwanguzi 2015. So mpulira bulungi nnyo.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Abdul Karim Sengendo.